and also come. Monitor no pe and my building. Bibia wom system unit no will be everything they inside. Nti wo maso na akro no. Eno na say wo charge na power call of ultimate using for 1 hour no. And one. Friend now on building bin fama. Why? 0247 530432 0247 530432 0244 969075 and after 050771 8921. But when it's over free, narrow light, none in a ding come on. That's what I'm Medima for about clinic. Dr. Time, that's Dr. DJ Fee. Medima for. I say, I did be a control me one and this one. I did be and who bit my baby in soon could him. Tibomade saw the way I didn't call. Stroke pass, would the anantian and cofacon hobby jano crime. Diabetes, hypertension. Bema, why am I on pum court 9 share. And then Yaria Kenya no se fabra. Yade no wodi nkwa de ne wadru ono de behu e de ama wo. Ebu akwa agogo ne aban school no hwe ani mu. Sounds na pokwa se nkrafo no mofo ani nchire mu Mayra Kwan so. Pokwa se Mayra Kwan so behu yen 0244 774282. Dr. Cote d'Ivoire Herbal Center. Cote d'Ivoire ni CODEVOA or the doctor original Dr. Cote d'Ivoire bam na ba. Entimpacho hye no so ma me se odu obekwa ko pebie. Adum ogram obo promise bala obenya bi ho se ohonam pa tutu aposo bacho se sciatica onamuro mu ha twem sa afafa ho mpre no da krobia na onso so mu say yes bibi wo ho ye kan original Dr. Cote d'Ivoire bam no ebo adwuma pa opeso call Herbal Center ho a ewo ekunfi otuam eho na Dr. Cote d'Ivoire Herbal Center no wo the late former president Atta Mills now fini crewman kasa eho Dr. Cote d'Ivoire 0596 100 244 0598 100 244 and afi 0203 43 9631 ntino fatala na bedru abedru no so de na yes woni anyway minua Joshua Kwame Fugah ebi kind of Fugah minim say na eno na the rights ebia ojitum minua bokode
Sir John Afishapa
I've been committee is economics ne finance unity as a wuremu adusu kontina even say mfa nkodi deputy finance minister
is in order what the course bit me
me Judy papa
we see the adeba kwa mention say you should never say never
exactly
but always not prepare yourself to accept any challenge. Beba Sir John Mame and Chiao. Na mema etie for Afishiapa. Mema opinion for moda yano ewa santimemu. All our MMDCs. Ye KM mayor. Ye regional minister. Obibia party members uswa. Meno kase omobo abanechi dom. And Opepais, SSC John Dramani Mahama. The Bosha was Shay Bibridano, Sir John, Meno Kasi. The first Friday of 2026, na Oshe, Papa Bosha or Shaya. Na sini we did the Bosha and Swa. Sir John, Yebeka say, Nango Pony ye. Na example His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said to them, I believe, sir, any future president you ever know. So obe lower standard now, Ghanaians will never forgive. And unti we share and now say senior all visit other media houses. Now omo ni omo ye juma. Okazi me eme depa. Also no there. Ono de be anongo for the praises in the mano. Name omo we chile no mu ye juma no. Wabasa obabe. Thank you to them. Obabe don mo ase. And I think say me hu yen na meniaje. Every leader be an so be successful omo mo bo chidom no.
Exactly.
Nti wa chire mbibia memehu say to say the program I say we have producers omo wechi a omo ma information ya de ebi okwa no hear information urgently say me ba no pay say me hu the rasta no ofre no okoba beba tv so anwa na ngofo ehu so what they make can say enti na the make can say 2026 there we fundamentals now is excellency John Dramani Mahama ST na Sir John one kasa odi adance say the macroeconomic indicators ni na no it has improved. Emre medobe remu macroeconomic indicators no then 2024 or 2025 any of them. Enti the economics there na we want to get our figures right. And unti maybe yes short notes be. And now me share macroeconomic indicators, me share economic growth. And I'm share inflation. In Pempenswan normal bo ekosro. And I'm share food inflation. Eduane bo senior ekosro. And I'm share the monetary policy rate. IFN NPR. Ebi mo friend the Ghana reference rate. And no. Se the monetary policy and as a Ghana reference rate. Sa rate ni na dodo na no banks na hwe so the bubbles here. What did they make can I say?
Yeah.
And it say in the interest rate back from to 15 to 19 na e also who say monetary policy rate na here the central bank what the bar a form no and no so no.
Yeah.
So
what did they make can I say? Interest that's so no abafem. That's true.
Now the interest back from as a chair na ne says see and meet me abobosia bebre na me twiensi hu kakra bi na me dia hye bedwumem na me nya so mfa so bebre eto so na me hwe the public debt to GDP ye free abemu no MPP free abemu no ni number 75%. Say you plan me no ka say we are doing 43.8%. 43.8%. Now the MFN say Fitch 4 year projections be no omuka say ye be end the year 2025 with a public to debt GDP ratio of 60%. Into omukra mo wan say na dey ka say ye be do 60%, na dey na etimi atiaba 43.8%. E dey na ban ni ya abuama sanyemu we na no ejina brane. Hono nam de wo kɔ baby a gold board wo no. Wo hwɛ Central Bank, Bank of Ghana, one of their sole responsibilities is to how our prices of goods and services stabilize it. Now, rate CD no depreciating as what? A Kwame ne be fast for ITV side no. And as Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and in the finance minister say, yen TBB a friend gold board, yen fi year asabi jemfinsia no. Obema kukudu for Obema Ghana dana Akoma so. Because our gold board no we will be our own kind of cry. Meaning say Oluman the no. What did they make can I say? Now branches you didn't quite no now what 8 months to 9 months if you juma a branch and I. That's so ni inti uhwe how ye ba ye debt to GDP ratio about 43.8% and I'm no. The city ni benya hoden no because do na ye busia na ye bono a year amano no sika US dollar denti no sisi na city ni benya hoden amaye ka no so aye den ate
abafo and ye kwa IMF na IMF say or say discipline say the be ya debt ye mobusia bebre na beba form if they want project class we should be doing around 50%,
50 to 60%, and IMF says 60%, not 50%, and we are doing 43.8%. And these things have all been achieved by 3 things. The gold board is one. The agri sector it grew by 6%. Last year, now agri was growing by 2.5 to 3%. Agri is now contributing a lot to the economy at a growth rate of 6%. And today, no Lumane, I go on kitinkiti and say a day. Nam do ra go on kitinkiti come on a din. And let me know because they say John Ashanti region. Every district enyo omo are you ready say ye de ko the your friends in mu no we no de
obi o kan sa obi anya ne nkokɔ sending nkokɔ na ye ready or district at the district level.
yes enti enra say me no ka say the national coordinator for the program Bright Honorable Bright e wo krumu ha
okay
ye di ama nkokɔ na ye di ma brooders ni na ye ka say brooders won say nkokɔ no buy no mo ye day old checks omo susa enti ne ye di ma brooders no brooders na bi ye da ko farm e bi ye the graft farms e bi ye IK champion. I have shared a very tall list with you farms ni now but enti me fa ni na ntubia
aha
ye MPP fo e de won me say aye omo hard drink kakra
oh na bi na say
wan hwe kwa akọ farms wo de nkuredura akọ akomo mo
say ne waka ni ye na no say eti e ba akọ say omo kra nkokɔ yade aba enti nkokɔ yade no ebeba na baby omo
ne
omo ni mu
enti ene de enti me fa ntubia
but I have them
yes enti be the actual say be omo say enti Ashanti region the area
wow
every district
me hear me district no na
every district enye bi and say the regional minister so e dey akwa to Facebook or no so catching go say now no edu baby e dey nkokɔ ne Akoma household no and the beautiful thing here is say Oluman because of experience and no when you need wow or ye say emeyen fa de no enkogu fa akọ yempe individual private farms what you say sa private farms no ye twa mo ka o
mahu 67 and is it 67 yeah be 60 that should be 66
yes
farms
the farms no say Ashanti region
okay bi o ho no ma
ebi
o ho
two farms serving the same district because of the capacity of the farm
yeah that's true
and when we identify certain small farms ebi obetimi ade 5,000 beds obetimi ade 4,000 beds because each bed no you will sika ye tuama the farmer no I from brooders no omo brood intisia no omo du 1 month na wie dodo na du 1 month na wie as ejo me no ka say anopeya me no ka say subin ashase omo che omo dia households for ne yeden eji omo de na
ebi enya over 1,000
oh yes
okay
oh yes ideally no I was said this should be 10,000 day old chicks okay ideally no that's but ebi o the mortality rate near dintin nkokɔ no bi wo ho aye den a ebi bewu won say ye be lanche nkokɔ no e wo eye Kumasi no obeka ya ye mama nkofo nim bi wo ho ti bi wo ye frɛ from bi some say ebi akosi ebi wo 50 no je 5 ewu ebi wo 6 ewu ebi wo 8 ewu nti no there is allowed. However, the program has become very successful and it is cutting across all the regions. And I'm strategically positioned here because of company A2 Agro. On a company or supply all the feeds in Ashanti region.
Wow.
In Tiadopia, no Kase Krano, Mr. Adolf Adakwa Utiwa.
Okay.
He's proud, yes, he's very proud, say Oluman, SNC John Dramani Mama, policy no diabano. Sir John, would dimut intima pay. Now, maybe on a Greek sector, no. Maka.
Go conquer and get to know you.
Oh, maybe. Other questions,
no questions. I was saying, Busanti, or share video, yeah. Stage way now, modern call households, no, yes, sir.
Yes, this stage when I was a call household. No.
Okay.
And Tiabecono, nay, and kitty deal chicks, one say, but they can send you video be some time back.
Yeah.
Mame, some time back, over was no musu sache say the first video be na me send them out.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
Yeah. Was no musu sache say.
Okay.
And tisi no a year the brooder no a farmer no.
Okay.
Say be a man 10,000 besa or sheso. Introduce this stage name you nothing they
call. I think I'm gonna call households.
Yeah, they come households no.
Oh, okay.
So the party and then the MCs, any DCs and what's it tenase. Na omode listen ye den eba se wo call subia constituent secretaries friend justice odi mutintima pay my member na bazo say ne wa fadi ya o making sure say the households will get their share of
There's
this
any
thing,
more
no.
inside there much am a party for one.
Oh, there be say I don't know a district. Say district they represent him will be
Yeah.
but I was say a day party na attach say be ya be ama ordinary people no. Na party for so ye day in your there because John, you cannot do these things without acknowledging the hard work of our people. What did they make an say?
I get it.
Internet involving both the MMDCs and also the constituency executives in all the in all the constituencies.
Okay. Until after some more households, no. What happens? Say we are more money, and I'm the more.
Into every region, biano or more animal production service officers, from more APD officers. And to Omono, what they will have to do is say, wow, person obejino. They'll have to come and check. Just like before I did breeders, you did best back Akoma breeders. I will say APD officer no the conducive nature of the poultry farm. No? And the same American, no, some of the poultry farm no Mpokrano. At the end of the day, Mpokrano, and Kofobi ain't me meaty because on more capacity, they be 6,000, they be 4,000. Meanwhile, you are supposed to take about 10,000 beds. If you are a whole year conducivity, we have to even change the farm. And to now work on them, they are supposed to be agri extension officers. They will work in conjunction with the APD officers so that they will give some form of training. And mind you, they defeat the count.
Oh, okay. And the household be a benya feed.
Obia supposed to go with the feet. Because the command. And to kwata by 40 days no. Now I'm ready. So obetungosia, so oberio, so the becho. Yes, so this is the feed produced by A2 Agro.
Oh, okay.
Company no akasi ya. Una time and no akwa share. Oluman be launch program so boni didn't find. One thing I may pewo about say he want to empower the business community, especially the manufacturing industry, irrespective of sebi say to abama no one to ababa no. Once the end of year no can say this is not an NDC Ghana, MPP Ghana or CPP Ghana, na Ghana. And the company now and ne almost play we because hey and onye NDC new onye NDC new onye MPP no a businessman. And the Ushe Juma Kofu Elboa Mubuama and the manufacturing of feed. Unim say first, but feed, poultry feed. Sir John, you're clear man on about. And poultry feed is one of the most critical areas. What's our Bambian so person will increase your poultry production? Oshe. Obekaya 2024 general elections. You remember one of our campaign messages say the amount of a year in Kokwa importable memoano was almost about $200 million. Enti ne oba kwa check data no nkokwa back room 2025 and check and see whether it has reduced or it has been maintained.
Akate farms.
Yes.
SA farms. Sami K farms, Frida farms near there. Mabubo bi money nyina. Yes.
But these are known people.
They are
intended. Akatine Dako farms is our phone now. You know their background.
Farms,
what
Topman farms.
Exactly.
Wow.
What you say. So it is irrespective of your political background, whether you are a businessman, whether you are an MPP, NDC or whatever.
Okay.
The Yanni say and go no bet me show mo. That's be household for society. Aka. So that is the whole program. That is Excellency John Dramani Mawa. Through the Greek minister, my main chair, Honorable Eric Opoku. Papa, you say honest, no. Sometimes, in fact, John Mama appointment with dear. Said John Wan Kasanga Sabe dear dance said something that munina. But you cannot get it perfect. But at least 98%.
What must say
but 98.
By
98.
And I bet all man 98. So cramming me 70
how?
Ebinum na day. So what you two say ebinum de nya and ye di two say me 80 na make am.
Okay, 80.
80%.
80 yeah.
Maybe 80 na me dina.
80 yeah.
Until wo nyiro mo.
Yeah.
I was a costro. 1 year no ma 80 a year. bi mo ha ye di ka ge come asem say list no ye nyina no me ade nti aba me I asem o but
ye di na mobium
my money ni bio
Levi mobium
Hey,
yeah Omo they are popular farms that people know and bi mko adwin say omo ye MPP for so
na
they
say
say
ka me busa de ntia bi no so ni mu
oh sometimes some of them they already have beds in their farms
okay
because you won't go agric animal production department you know e capture mo but all the best ne beko no obeka so me hire ma and you have to change it
because Boris Edini Hantina
and onu say no on there oye old man darling boy
no fall under different category and
the category for but I don't know about that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know about that.
Okay.
Perhaps he didn't opt for it.
For this phase.
For the brooder phase.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because brooders you know be an percent.
Okay.
Oh yes,
I get it. I get it. Yeah. Anyway, that's fine. And one mimbo ni bi.
Yes, it's fine. And
you
said that's it now here Boris B farm zone.
Some of you I could dress here naja. Ma hewe bi o hye. Nti mahu na kana me twam na say there be oni ayi okay but they all can so no yeah just as you are saying be obi a information no nyina de but be so na stage we no face we no na on person obey
or the face say the moment the house will receive their best no that is the vision of the president say enko infin
yeah
now go for say his excellency George Dramani Mahama kokon kete police no kai no we and I'm so benye free so what you say and maybe the second phase this is just the first phase of it into the second phase maybe you'll consider a lot of other farmers well.
Anyway, I'm for Safi now joining here. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. Name Joshua Kwame Fugah and Aiding Kobo. In fact, we're about with a lot of projects, you know. You did home come fine. You see idea one Mubusam say na on one kasa a him fan or said yeah, I said come on I be come on started from the economy. We share indicators. Micro, macro.
Yeah, very key.
Indicators.
Very key.
Okay, you know what's them. And what about TSC agric?
Yeah.
And what kind agric the grow for yenya what can what's them?
Yeah.
And what baby rango conkitin kitin. Tia so be I confused. Pay what kind government communications. I mean presidency. Or can who be an officially no papa dia won ka ho bi demum ni nyina ne say osom oman no nti yi ho de kokon kitenkete ho de wa mo so mbafre na busa no say benya kokon bia mama mo mfre no nya Greek minister
da bi nya Greek minister
de o ojuma na o ye so chichire
mo for regional minister be boa
me say mi wi anya de say mi nua no but mi ntimi ni bi no ho
da bi
say bia eja chiri na walidi mi na manya kakra de na me hwe me district nti na me ma hwebudin na me hwe me district na enso so ngukoi enya bi koya yi a enye bad na me koya na me old boy busam say na be ma na ade wa kan wa asem ngukoi
onti obia nti hwe district na hwe farm no then you just have to follow up that's all yeah but the good thing is say obi o pay information bia no just go to your district office or the the constituency office and I think say omode communicate ni bi krama some of the MPP offices I'm not too sure about that say na be balance bibia so to the mechanism and just go to make inquiries you make inquiries you always find
so I understand say understand say for you the for no southeast and southwest omo agric as in extension office no baako
exactly
and your mother so pretty baako
one office
man cranso
exactly
it means that the for no sell abit ma man cranso aba bejibi nti man cranso de ma hu
two yes
yes
so it means two districts
yes and ma hu yes that is one thing.
So you're okay now?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm good to go.
That's good to know.
I'm good to go.
That's really good to know.
But
so
So I will agree on what we agree on.
Yeah, we me the entire me borrow agree can say near per se share the contributing factors in the economic growth. We chalked from 3.1 to a 5.7%. What did they make an say? And the contributing factors, no one, the gold mining sector, as through the gold board, no, and ne, yet me a lot of foreign exchanges, foreign reserves, from information available to you no, through the gold board, no, minya bema, share foreign exchange, Bank of Ghana, Timinya, ya, just a bo adrenaline, so. If you on a call a agric sector, instead of borrow agric mono, or share agric so a reduce imports of food and other goods and services by achieving a growth rate of 6%. From 2.1% to 6%. It is quite huge.
Yeah, huge, yeah.
Very huge. And then we look at the service sector. Service sector is economy new grow the service sector automatically and so yeah grow. In the borrow agric na yebehwe akoko nketenkete policy war Ashanti region how Ashanti region very soon no whether MPP NDC CPP GDPP whatever no you have every right to go to a say also pay but we are working with numbers what you are saying I didn't nanka policy needs to be a 50-50 base but because of a mortality rate no ibu be 20 Ebibenya 40, Ebibenya 30, depending on beds. It's very good.
It
I mean, 20 beds, 20 beds is quite a lot. It's quite a lot.
That's fine. Maybe I mean, tell me who we run now. Eba was your phone at so. Me squeeze ya na fee. Wait me afa course kakra. Ti me ba many minute baby na afa course kakra.
Akoma FM Ashanti Network. Renaissance view. Minia, Brania Nante. Ya woso. Ya sheki. Ya nada ya ho. Ya nane sradia mu. Na pomginga ya dia. Ya bosume ba ku ni de toso aduonu 24th January 2026. Anopando numni fan ya besha free Akoma FM ya ni mu heya. Ya wasukwa ya ni kumasi mo. Make it rishia ni mu. Ya benanti Kumasi Weshia, Adada, ya what you sort of quoting Momome, yet ya Nanis Radianina, Namayana Pomodin, yet you rat a fee, yet your Pomdi was out to Chania, Ubesa Shesha now 4P. It's Wedia, and sorry, Equia, and Numa Hodo, and Crankra, Momayana, Yenshia, 24th January 2026. I will have my Naya Nanti and Fananis Radian. Yawafua, I say, I see me at the head of the Ebra War, any ABA Herbal Clinic, Mid City Dental Clinic, Grace Phyto Clinic and Medical Diagnostic Solutions, South Natural Mineral Water, Midima for Herbal Clinic, Herbal Mixture, Abiba Special Kenke, her passport capsules, Kuma FM Ashanti Network 2026, and Beye Kikim.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right, I was my young queen. Providence Healthcare. But one is out when you on a holiday, and if you had a holiday, but one is over corner a show. Come on, why? Oh, for dear pass and for dear no, on comment, because I deal with you in baby free. Ya deal with you, I you who said they will call baby a catcher and a just can't see a change in answer in we are dear no. But what call baby near us, a size here. Call Providence Healthcare. A best show, come and for dear no, and for dear a for dear boy Jumapa. Tibo modern furniture ho as once any St. Teresa Catholic Church ni hwe ni mu sanso na konongo so agogo station wa any Ghana Commercial Bank ni hwe ni mu bogos ya ne Krobo filling station ni hwe ni mu 0248422864 0506830210 mini Fugah ma enwi na now also best no total na be say in the region Ashanti region total na be say.
Oh, sir, we are looking at 43 districts. So ideally, if each district is getting around 10,000 beds,
okay.
I mean, simple mathematics will show that it's 430,000 beds.
Wow. For the year?
Yeah, and it's targeting almost about 2,500
households.
Yeah, households.
Wow.
It's quite a number. And it has to be evenly spread across. And at least every district will get some impact. And Sir John, Medima no ye baby we in common no. The ye can say 2026 is a year that I believe say already know the macroeconomic indicators no is further pointing to a very very positive figures. Now okay
See, we never be lines kakra.
But when you say even the reference rate in the ground, almost they are performed by 15.68%.
That's fine.
Let's just say John, what the beautiful thing here is that you see alone bo bafom into ye mama mu dwoma mu tie. See an obet me every bank. Kobo bosia no we dread na we dwuma na we no fiscal shame. And then when you say about be more T-bill rate, T-bill rate. TB rating, the entire TB rating, the government did not want to compete with the commercial banks. You know, once I call bank, be a more fixed deposit rates and a more TB rate. TB rating are binding, and a fixed deposit rate near the financial institution and say the amount.
Okay.
And to say a binding no format, say you be forced to give your investment to the bank, right?
That's true.
And the banks do see kana no I share Ghana reference rate no. Or the amount more scam. So right now, per the decision of the government, the banks are now having more money so that they can do on lending to more they need it.
But that's it.
What you say?
Emphasis kakra. But on common dibe brave from anopano limon and edin common be cansabre. O hebre na bo 9:44 eufia. Achoba de yakano ehun common woody wadaroma. Oh, Bibi can about this conversation. Many of Fugah why yeah. Then you do that as well near Koyanim. And chia, Mr. Ebony Swa said beya, a bit my fa the door. Timpacho and chia sem Ephraim. 0322498035 0243114497. Good morning.
The great fantastic Sergio Bakope.
Benji and Koyanim.
So John the president go to face this area. And if John the same like household no in the media last year on the feedback on the country ko woman on the time on last year be a million the area could be 5 dollars look at files we am funny kaya we don't be our warranty all number we am majuma.
Yeah, there's a question will be some. Good morning. Yes sir.
I told me the Hamza. The second thing is to walk with
Hamza, I meet you.
I don't think but from command was wrong. I this you know what Fugah. The Okase I was with the Mechi. We need to be because of what now yet the service to double so many cinema. Because this one can what get to say a honey or quano. The quano almost moved to guarantee a while. That's what we say. When we are better, and as one that's the way you get the service to the people of the double so many cinema. And there's many kind, or so cafe. No one can I share my new to guarantee the question. No for new maybe I the same specialty double to this sector. In the Mr. 1 year up and doing 1 thing and some guided on my penny may you that you say that I'm so big here. That's a good thing for me. So I'm not going to for sure. No one penny no 2 hours day and now many at the Mabano. That's the no Yamanaye.
That's Hamza. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow. But you're more feeding in coffee, mommy.
Yes, so John, without it. And the Catafia in Sabin soon taken.
I'm out.
I'm out, Papa. So John, since you're for you, many want to know. I'm in trouble, Papa. You've been trying to your money. Now, the enemy be out there. If you do the announcement, so for you're being I don't know what about it. And yes, I'm sure and I knew more on the Catafia in Sabin soon taken. Wajana kamakasa. And I'm also careful so. Now maybe na this idea be too many. So John, now one am bet me at the amai. I insane. Ya fi haru. Ya fi a part in the corner of you. Central Command making a cabin, Madame, Central, it is Akoma in Castle, the more Jada, my secretary, but I'm moving to
Mema reporter about me. That's good morning.
Tayo.
Kwakwasumadu.
Tayo, Memo Chala,
Ejo sumini ya kwakwasumadu.
Tayo, Alabama, Chala, Yamu about to find a good boy. Naja also na yanke da yura kan da su yanke ano ya sado ko ya san ma mabubo ya yemi ya Fugah mu da ya mana ba so mun na ma ko na party na ba power ono ti je pd ya to mun ya se mun ya da bi mo se yo mun ndi na mo tun bo mo mal ko ne na sado ya ku ko ga tanke na ni aya dia aye papa pa se abale me na ya ko wa dabwa amala tinya ta ke fi na ma ko ya many matters say your family na what in sha e timo ogbo ma kuma ko ten so je ti pe ni here e ti na kan ni ni do kwa e ti sa ba no de sa go ni ni ko na say you ti ni ko guma e no ba bua ama na ti ni ama e ti na pen to de ko guma ama ma ni de so ti ni ye guma e so je de to su de me galante na abana ni abro to so ti ade ba no ko ko no so ana se di ni zamo e ti ba se o ma na ni ye no ko ko ba bia this is the two galante ko su di biano e so ma pe ni bi e tambua o be bi mo gbe ko mi sem e ba so mo ma kan mo mu amo ma ya da no e ye ni
That's a kwaku, thank you. Wa fidie no was sorumba chow. Manin ko from mame wada romana. Good morning.
Seven, good morning.
Good morning.
Seven, Julius Agavo and Okase.
Senior, I mean Tiwe.
I mean, you can now ask. I mean, Fugah and then somehow they are two general born about so far. I share party now. A more data, my party now. Even to the free. You send to me for some more media. But I'm a pay issue in some of the kind of quantity kitchen. One of the police they about Ubia Benebi, Ubia the two Kutemi. By your phobia, mono deliberately, one person identically, no one castle, identically. When shot sound for no, so we say the dear person or no born man, when shot no deal with Omo, man call so, Ubia, you probably are on pad, you know. It was for so what they command pan and I person, we're all inclusive or better say, I don't know. It's in the Fugah, on content for Omu to say, Yahoo, phobia, deliberately. Omu do mu wa be sisema opese oje na no na side omu play omu ro omu pese omu be play na ade na feli na omu aba out ade de say ade no ye ka say enye ntieso Fugah mo ma moni enko fa ade no the be out maybe ni e ka e say police bi a ban de aba ebu obi a.
Okay, may that say Julius. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, Tajo.
Mini atamfu nyenya mini ohun.
Na wo e de.
Me ho ye pa.
The Yamia to send a couple of matches I didn't look here at it. Yeah, John. About the name of the same because I'm back with some MC Mamma share. Or so one empty to 42 or me. I better say anything to man to say. And to be at a rubber show.
But offense today.
Time now. Okay. Omo so dey akwaso ana akwụkwọ n'aka m metụrụ omo nsọ mma lezi omo obi ayo lezi omo nsọ nni pa obi tuma aye because me ni pe mi ye bi so me yan ke hu ko bia but they say ni so ma mo ni so amu ni anko ho no mo jaja mo e bi daje so bi so enje me kata aka fun yan no because aka fun bi jaje no ma ko se no no ma se abani bi na bi o ni ni de chi and she now got all you. Now I have got and to
Good morning.
Good morning, Pedro.
Yes, sir.
I'm Pate Jamal and the audio market.
Jamal send one so you jinem so I say. Umpa bono no money away.
Yakura.
I gungu.
Mami say oh, last year in an abandoned the two years. So, wow, for this and our minister agriculture register. nti wo a wokɔ register na wobɛyɛ bi nti wo register a woyɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wowɔ fia ne ade abrɛ sɛ kyɛnkɔkɔ nyɛ saa na ɛyɛ no nti ne register no ɛne bɛnya wo a register a wonnya bi yanom de nim kasa de yɛ kire ne bɛka sɛ bɛkyɛ ma because last year na ne ka wo a wokɔ fia ne ɔkɔ wo a register de anya de ɔkɔ nti yɛ da wo mɛmpɛ na sɛ yɛ sɛ ade deɛ wobɛkyɛ bɔ na ɛyɛ sɛ ya ɛma kasa brɛ ni no na kike last ya no mo ni kini ya de no mo ya e ba ka no kiri kiri
Good morning. Yeah.
Me da say me yela.
Yeah.
Enya min kawo senior maharaji.
Yeah, senior I'm too.
Yo me da say. Me wa bon komo bebi. Na katitu bi ansana me na ko ni. Na pejo. No kura pa so my Ghana in for ba fofo dia. Ekuma wu di pa bebi a wa wuro mu assembly members ekam wa bon papa nya min kawo. Na de yes let me say you were president Oma yemi president menu it's so dia babo my God and we to we end this what we do it's a good year with the mradi be shamisa no what do my sika no ko kan ya push baby so mrani pa ko ni big papa we obia what do my sika no ko baby and wow da
Me da say. Fugah.
Yeah, Sir John. I mean, so first call and friend, no, be a question about the household, no. Send a bay and you be quick few minutes, nipa analysis. Only says I did, ain't me, Master. Now, I was happy, say, or last but one call and friend, no. So ye no. Say, I bind in share, but say, wow, who pay no. Call district office, Neko register, and to one can go register. The intimate fa, I will go on 12. Obi wo kwa beko kwa mpe nti wo de kwotwa na ide nti nipa ko no hia no won na beko akọ register na me chia me nua Julius Agahoa ono so ne contribution on the buy na in fact ene de nipa ko no so kai no so is the same thing so obi wo on pa de nti we should omo ye interested omo person omo boama the president's vision say or boama household sa a champion time no obia your friend say feed yourself no. This is the beginning of operation feed yourself no. Now Sir John Midman news no. So what study of later? Almost a lot of youth are now going to the agric sector.
Yeah.
Announced the year.
Yeah.
Besides identity all of a sudden obia person or poultry farm. Last time obia got 6 acres of land. Or so person or poultry farm no. Oh, or say just I don't know it boils down to the leadership. When you share how the president has set the tone. One was it be also or a teacher or a farmer. So what you say?
Yeah.
And as a teacher and a farmer, no, or set or create the enabling environment. Same new me, no. It is said, I will suggest strongly to you, say,
but minyanye portrait ni bi.
the portrait is to
Me dem ye kuku.
bring. See, ye feed no Ghana.
Me dem ye kuku.
Uye koko and the baby koko zika said Randy Abe lie.
But I say thank you very much. I was for the embassy na Mr. John Yao answer a message here. Samuel Kwajo Usu Bafo Setra 4 year Onana GH Salif Zakari Emilia Aswanse yes Munina no mobile by number so Ken, thank you. Emmanuel Kuma, thank you very much. Golden Boy Anna, thank you. Benjamin Fenzi say we are Nana Barema Akomia, good morning. Emmanuel Setamonthum, good morning. Alex Entry, Opoganchi, good morning. Jerry John Ususafo, good morning. Piaga, good morning. Michael Zanori, good morning. Suleimana Hamidu, good morning. Eric Derry, good morning. Evans Barema Akomia again, good morning. Munina Medama say for your messages on Facebook. Yeah, your birthday is now. I'm sorry, my 20 best man to us. So, yes. And I'll say happy birthday to my brother Ernest. Oh yeah, Juma Ewo Kumasi Boosts. From friends and family, they are wishing you a special birthday. Ernest, happy birthday to you. Glorious birthday to our sister Comfort. Abba Comfort. Abba Boke. I'll say this is from your cousins and sisters, especially Beatrice with Gabra. Also, I wish you happy birthday. They love you so much. Comfort Abba Boki, happy birthday to you. Mr. Kwame, Mr. Emmanuel Akins. Mr. Emmanuel Akins, may God bless you. From Nana Ojambuama Obuasi, signed by Dr. Abedi Kwada. So, happy glorious birthday to Ejapoma Rose. Ejapoma, happy birthday to you. I'll say I'll connect you through Gamsu. We're free. Ankwanoma TK, Public Relations Officer, West School. And what do we say by on one view also we share Frida of Wesley College of Education a special birthday. Yankupo Shapa no can say Ankwanoma TK West School PR also wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kumasi boss, now here Juma. Friends, family, I wish you happy birthday. I was in Yamin Shapa, no your kese. Was for your sorry, I'm 20 best. Bana, Yami had much na Ibeshia na a year will sum so. Cause what ye, copy say Beshia Otina. Still now, no new and yeah, they are sorry.